This is example of difficult situation to make lash extension. My client want to make fox effect, but she has inside growing natural lashes. So first of all, I'll make her lashes very clean. My client already removed her mascara and other makeup from her natural lashes, and now I just wash her natural lashes with a little of alcohol. I use 90% alcohol. I apply this between her natural lashes very carefully because I don't want to let it in her eyes. So I use micro brush, brushing her natural lashes to make sure that her applied artificial lashes are properly glued on her natural lashes. And now I'm ready to work with extension. I'm applying patches for good separation upper and bottom lashes. Brushing one more time to make sure that our lashes are not glued together. I use CC Curl for this type of lash extension, and the most important thing is direction of applying natural lashes. It doesn't matter what kind of direction has the natural lashes. We need to do what we want. You see if you have any clients with this type of eyes, with this type of lashes. You need to see how I glue lashes on the outer corner of my client. This angle. You need to use good angle. Save this video for your future, because you can see in compare with my video how to apply to achieve fox effect. The angle has to be even less than even when we do this with a regular type of lashes. I started work from outer corner to the inner part, and I try don't use very curly lashes on this type of lashes, because if your lashes will grow, they will change the angle of the lashes which we applied. Try to make even more angle than usually you see in direction to the templates. My client has a lot of her natural lashes. It's very good. That's why we can achieve very good, very dramatic look, even if you will make classic falset or hybrid falset. And that's why I love to work with her lashes. You see, my client has pretty much thick eyebrows, pretty much thick hair, and that's why she has pretty much thick lashes on her eyes. It means that she can have more oily lashes, and the retention can be less than usually. That's why it's very, very, very important to rinse her lashes with alcohol. You see, I'm talking about using micro brush. Just applying step by step. I think 25% of her lashes which I applied was 20, the length of 20, the thickness 0.1, CC curl, then 25% was 11, 25% of 10, and the rest of her natural lashes was 8 and 9, and a couple of 7s in the inner corner to achieve more neat look. You see the angle here in the central part became a little more straight, the direction more to the inner part, not such a huge like it was from my first lashes. You see the difference? It's really important if you want to create fox look for my client, because if you will change the direction, you will achieve doll look. It's very, very important, especially if your client has closet eyes. Closet eyes are not look good if you make doll effect, or if your lashes in the outer part have wrong direction. Applying step by step. I apply hybrid. It means sometimes I put 2D, sometimes I glue single lashes. I love this type of lashes because it helped me to achieve more natural look, and it have very good retention. And my client usually cannot damage her extended lashes because they are pretty much thick, strong, and dark. And my clients like this type of lashes. I use 0.07, very rare, usually just only for hyper volumes, for Russian volume. Okay, you see our fill is almost done. I glue tape to the outer corner, and I work with this trick usually till 70% of my work. Sorry, I cannot let you see good because I have no any helpers who can help me to make this video. I do this everything by myself. During my work with client, I just show you how I work. Okay. Absolutely fox effect, absolutely foxy eyes. You see how dramatic can lashes look if you will extend each of natural lashes, absolutely each of them. Now I glued tape to the inner corner, and I can work with the outer part and in the inner part step by step. I glued a couple of 7s in the inner corner, a couple of single 7s, CC curl, in the inner corner, and then I can go ahead and glue 8s and 9s. I don't like to make very huge volumes in the inner corners because in the life girls like to rub lashes in the inner corners, and I want to make them as much strong as possible, and I want to achieve good retention. Okay, my lashes are almost done. Just some of 9s and 8s in the inner corner, and our fill will be done. Yay! This is the result of fox effect for this beautiful woman.